Yo, what's going on? How's everyone doing? Quick video going over the NVDA trade today. Ended up running over 2,500%. So what I saw first, this level of resistance right back in July of 2021, major level of rejection, another rejection right here. And then if we scroll to January of 2022, February of 2022, and March, and then now March 14th. We bounced off that previous level of resistance as a new support multiple times. So this has a established bottom. Now we're looking for upside since we bounced multiple times. Buyer stepped in every single time we approached that 208 level. So we see this white trend line here, right? Multiple levels of rejections across the board. And then this level right here, we had the BT cloud flip. So bullish signal was in. Scroll in a little bit. So once we broke through, right, we saw some continuation up to around 270. And then once we hit 272, which was right in this zone around this double top here, I can highlight it just so you know what I'm talking about here, right? So we rejected once, rejected twice, 3 times. And then once we approach this region again, right, we start to consolidate and move sideways. So this is what I was looking at here yesterday. We created a beautiful falling wedge, right, like an ABC wave. If you know anything about Elliott wave, I don't really focus too much on Elliott wave anymore, but beautiful falling wedge, right? So lower highs, and the price action is getting tighter and tighter. So perfect entry point would be that previous level of resistance, which was right at 265.82. So if you entered right here, calls ended up going over 2,000%, even 2,500%. It was pretty crazy. But your price target is always the top of the flag. This is just a classic falling wedge / bull flag breakout. I can definitely go over this again in a more established video. Just wanted to drop something quick on what I saw. But yeah, overall downtrend was broke, right? People started taking profits here, and then we started to consolidate, and the move up was so ready to happen. Great play. If you have any questions, let me know. Drop a like. You know what to do.